everyone, welcome to my channel, Just Ria. If you've never been here before in my place, I am Ria and I just want to tell you welcome. And if you have been here before and you're already subscribed, welcome back. Today's video is going to be about LuvMe hair, an affordable luxury wig. You guys, I took the time out to order this wig on January 29th and I received this wig on February 7th. It took a total of 6 business days to get here, which was very, very quick shipping. Right now, I am taking the time out to show you how the package was shipped. The box is in good condition. Nothing is all bent up. It didn't come just in a bag. It actually came in a box. The box has a ribbon on it. It's very neatly packaged. And I think that when a company takes time to put presentation in their package, that it shows that they actually care about their business. There is a lot of wig companies that I've ordered where it's been delivered in a clear package, of course, inside a bubble wrap package, but the wig itself was just thrown in a clear Ziploc bag. Who does that? Definitely not LuvMe hair. Inside this beautiful package box, the first thing that I saw was a $5 coupon, gift card off of my next purchase. And then there was this nice message from the owner on the wrap paper that says, "Enjoy your hair journey from now on. Signed, the owner," which it appears her name was Helena, I think, the founder of LuvMe Hair. I thought that that was very, very nice, and it just gave a little extra touch to it. Now, after I took the wrap off, the wig is in this mesh purple bag, and it has the company logo on it with the website. We'll open that later. Let's just see what's all in this box. It looks like I got some flat irons. I will show you guys those in a sec. I got some clip-ins, some colored clip-ins, which is very, very neat. I know for a fact I didn't order this. The only thing that I ordered was the wig. I'm just going to point that out. So I'm going to take the time out to show you how the clip-ins look. Of course, there is a clip, but I want to take the time out to show you the weft of the clip-in. It is kind of thick, so to me, that seems like you would have to leave out enough hair to cover it. You can't just have a thin layer of your own hair covering the weft of the clip-in. So in this, I also got a comb. I like these combs. I have several of them, but they're brown. And then there's this little magazine, which that's what I thought it was, but it's actually hair care instructions on the inside of this little booklet. There is how to care for your wig, how to use your wig, and facts about products and usage. There's also a return registration card, and on the back, it tells you how to get a refund and how to process a return. Everything that you need to know is in that booklet. So I suggest you take the time out to read it. Also, in that white bag, I got a box of lashes, 2 pair, I'm sorry. Some silver hooped earrings. I don't quite know what this is, but I'm going to show it to you anyways. And maybe somebody in the comment section could drop what this is in the comment section below, because I honestly don't know, but it looks nice. I can't complain. Also in that white bag came a red satin scrunchie, which I can never have enough satin scrunchies, because to me, the satin scrunchies work better because it doesn't pull the hair. It just works better with my hair texture. I also got some, I guess these are like pale pink or pastel pink nails. I don't know if I'm gonna use these or not, but if I do, I'll definitely do a video on how they, look on my hand, how they feel, how they, perform, I guess. So that's what I received in the white bag. So I'm putting everything back in there, and then I'm going to show you guys the flat irons. So I did not place an order for these flat irons. Everything that I received outside of the wig came free. Okay, guys, this wig was regularly priced at $99.90. I received a Valentine's Day code, and I got $30 off of that regular price, which made this wig $69.90. Now, along with that, for spending over $60, I received a free flat iron and also the free bag of the lashes, the nails, the earrings, and the clip-ins. I thought that that was a really, really, really good deal. Like, where else are you going to get a wig? Flat irons, clip-ins, nails, earrings, lashes. Like, you're getting the whole look. So, I thought that that was good. Now we're moving on to the actual wig itself. You guys, this wig, like I said, was regular priced at $99.90, and I got it for $30 off for a total of $69.90. I actually also got free shipping as well, so that made it even more better. This is a U-part wig with clip-ins, and it has a band around the front, and it has an adjustable strap in the back. Also, the construction of the wig is net. It has, I can't tell if that's one or two. It looks like that's one clip-in in the back, and then those are the adjustable straps on each side of the clip-in. And then in the front, there are a total of 3 clips, one on each side and then one in the middle. And then you have the band in the front to help keep it in place. Now with this U-part, you are going to have to leave your hair out. It's like a 4x4 U-part. So you're gonna have to leave some hair out in the middle, and it will cover, you know, the part where you see the actual tracks. And you just kind of blend it into the wig, make it look natural. I'm wondering how this is going to, so, okay, I see what it is. So you definitely would have to leave some hair out in the front. So what you're going to do is you're going to have to part in the front to leave some hair out to cover that band. I just noticed that. I didn't notice it before, but now I just noticed it. And then, of course, this wig does not come with edges like, you know, the baby hair. So you're going to have to leave your own baby hairs out. Like, you're going to have to do a little work with this wig, but I'm willing to put the work in for it because I thought it was cute. This wig is 10 inches and it's in body wave. So I cannot wait to try this wig on. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of LuvMe hair. So far, my experience has been really good. I'm really, really impressed. This is the first hair company where I have actually ordered from and have actually been impressed from ordering to the shipping to the receiving. So I am really excited to try it on. If you guys have tried this company before, let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to know how this wig tries on and a review of it, please stay tuned and subscribe.